We proceed with our ideas for trusses. We have our third truss here, and it is good practice to start with the link member DE. We need our reactions from symmetry. We have each of YA and YB equals 11 tons. To calculate member 1, we have our section S1, S1, and we consider, of course, moments about H, because we want to get rid of the other cut members and to have one unknown in our equation. So taking moments about H, any part of the truss you are convenient with, you will obtain F1 equals 10.5 tons. Tension force. Taking joint D, we notice that we have three members connected to it, 1, 2, and 3. We already computed member 1, and therefore equilibrium in the X direction will give us member 2. Having member 2, we can consider equilibrium in the vertical or Y direction to get member 3. And those are the values shown here. Proceed with your calculations. Stop the video, proceed with your calculations, make sure that everything is okay, and try to get the other members. Then wind your video and check your calculations. Members 4 and 5 here form the K shape, and therefore we consider joint M, and so we consider joint M to get a relationship between members 4 and 5. We consider the section S2, S2 to get another equation considering the unknowns members 4 and 5. This is taken by considering equilibrium in the Y direction. We have our second equation in 4 and 5. We solve those two equations together and we get the values of the internal forces in members 4 and 5. Of course, tan theta here equals 0.5. Going back to section S1, S1 here, we can compute the internal force in NH or in member 6. If we need NH, we will consider the Y direction. If we need member 6, we will consider the X direction. Of course, we computed member 1 already. So taking moments about N, this is another procedure. We can get member 6. Or as we previously said, we can compute NH first considering the Y direction in section S1, S1. Then we will have one unknown, which is member 6, when we consider our X direction. We assure that there is no one solution for the members. There is one final answer, but several engineers can proceed with several procedures.